Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the low Go game. Go is an ancient strategy game played on a grid, typically a 19 by 19 board. The objective is to surround more territory than your opponent using black and white stones. Players take turns placing one stone at a time on the intersections of the lines. The game begins with an empty board, and the first player uses black stones. To play, you place a stone on any empty intersection. Stones need liberties, which are adjacent empty points. If a group of stones loses all its liberties, it is captured and removed from the board. This is how you capture your opponent's pieces. Be careful not to place your own stones in a position where they have no liberties, as this is usually an illegal move unless it captures an opponent's stone. Building territory involves strategically placing your stones to enclose empty spaces. These enclosed areas become your points. A crucial concept is life and death. For a group of stones to be considered alive and safe from capture, it must have at least two separate eyes, which are small, enclosed empty spaces within the group. Preventing your opponent from forming two eyes is key. The game ends when both players pass consecutively, indicating no more moves can improve their position. Scoring involves counting the empty intersections within your enclosed territory, plus any captured opponent stones. The player with the highest total score wins. It's a game of patience and foresight, where every move can significantly impact the final outcome.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.